our latest endeavor. Got this truck at an auction. It was missing. Had this fake key thing there, and so I rigged up. Not really rigged up, this is the actual thing that goes there, but I just de-rigged what they rigged and made this. I planned to make it like a push start, but this just seems so quick and easy. So I'm gonna see my key here. It's hard. Anyway, give me a second. Truck fires right up. After I did this and put a battery, it's got this weird sound coming out of it, but I'm sure I'll figure that out next.